Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Yes, this is the holiday season, y'all. Yes, me and my sister at home with MsBetty are doing a collab together, y'all. Yes, and so make sure to go over to her channel and check her out and show her some love, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay y'all, let's get this sister to sister holiday collab started.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and her family.
Happy holidays, everyone. Today I'm sharing a new recipe. It's a Rotel chicken spaghetti, y'all, and it's so delicious, y'all. And here are our ingredients. Okay, y'all, let's get started. Here we're cutting up our chicken tenders into small pieces. This way they are more easier to saute. Here we are melting like a half a stick of butter to saute our meat and vegetables. Here we're adding our chopped onions and bell peppers. And now our chicken. Now we're adding our seasoning, some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. You can use regular salt or seasoned salt. Be careful not to add too much salt because some of the rest of the ingredients had salt in it. Here I'm using my flat edge wooden spatula to saute the meat and vegetables. I'm going to continue to saute the meat and vegetable for about 8 to 10 minutes or until you know that each piece is completely done. After about 10 minutes of sauteing the meats and vegetables, choose a bigger piece of the meat and get a fork and knife and cut into it and see if it's pink inside. It's not completely done. So continue to cook it until it's completely done. We are cooking this on a medium-high heat. Okay, I have checked our meat and it is done, and you can tell by the vegetables. See how translucent they are? That means they are also ready. Here we're removing them from the skillet and we're going to set them aside. Here we're adding our spaghetti to some boiling water. I always break my spaghetti into 3 parts. Smaller pieces of spaghetti makes it more easier to serve. To cook your spaghetti, make sure to follow the instructions on your box. Here we're adding our pasta to a large bowl. Here we're adding our cubed Velveeta cheese and cream cheese. I prefer to add it while the pasta is still warm, and this makes it more easier to melt. Here we're adding 2 cans of Rotel tomatoes. I'm adding 1 mild kind and 1 original. Or you can use 2 cans of mild or 2 cans of original. Now we're mixing this up. Now we're adding in our cheddar cheese. Now we're adding our cream of chicken soup. Now we're going to mix this in. Now we're adding in our chicken and vegetables. We're going to stir this all in. This casserole requires quite a bit of stirring, so a second pair of hands will be very, very helpful. Here I'm adding in some cumin for more flavor. Here we're giving it a quick taste. Here we're adding a little Creole seasoning in just for a little more flavor. After tasting it, it was good to go. In our casserole dish, we're spraying our dish down with some cooking spray. This makes the casserole much easier to remove from the dish. Now we're adding the casserole mixture to the dish, and we're going to smooth this down. Since I'm doing this the night before, what we're going to do, we're going to add our cheese. We're going to cover with foil and then refrigerate overnight. And then tomorrow we're going to add the other toppings. This is the next day. I have placed some nacho chips in a bag. I'm using my wooden roller to crush up these chips into smaller pieces. And then we're going to add them on top of our casserole. And then we're going to top it off with some more cheese. We're going to place this in the oven for like 30 to 35 minutes. All depends on if you have removed it from the refrigerator. It has to heat up longer. So make sure your casserole is warm through and through. If you have removed your casserole from the refrigerator, let it sit out. I let mine sit for like an hour to an hour and a half, and then I placed it in the oven uncovered. Okay, y'all, our casserole is all finished, and y'all, this is so delicious. I'm about to take it over to At Home with MsBetty to share with the rest of my sisters. Okay, I'll see y'all there. Okay, y'all, here's MsBetty digging into our Rotel chicken spaghetti, y'all. Somebody beat us to it. We wasn't the first one to dig in, y'all. Somebody dug in before we could get to it. But we just wanted to share this simple recipe. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming video. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all some more photos of our sister's Christmas party. I also have a dessert to share with y'all that I brought to this party. It's a pineapple cake, and I'm gonna share it with you all, okay? But I want y'all to go over to MsBetty at No Place Like Home with MsBetty and show her some love, okay? Y'all, I love you all. Y'all stay safe and be blessed. Happy holidays to each and every one of you all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!